2024 November, Anthropic's AI introduced MCP servers. With using MCP servers, now we can interface custom tools with different AI models. Today, we're going to learn how to interface with very simple custom tool with local running AI model and chat with that. I'm Ruk-Shan, a senior research engineer, and welcome to Roboids Labs YouTube channel. Let's get started. First of all, we're going to run the Docker container for the Ollama. So first, you can see here the Ollama default port is 11434. We are mapping that port to 11411. We do this because sometimes this can conflict with the other stuff running previously. So let's open new terminal here. Let me make it bigger and paste that and run. Usually it takes quite some time to pull the Docker image, but in this case it's quite fast. I already have that image locally. So now that's about the image. Then after that, let's go to Portainer. This is interface to monitor your Docker containers and manage them. Now we need to go into the Docker container and we can pull a new image. So in this case we are going to pull this Llama 3.2 model. Okay, can use Ollama pull Llama 3.2 model, this command to pull the model. So it's quite fast because I had this model locally as well. So now next step is this is done. Now we can run this command to pull the web UI for the Ollama to interface with, but just note this port number we have changed according to this port number, otherwise it won't be able to connect and you will have to fix that in the settings. That can be a bit troublesome. So this is fast as well. I think it's about 2 GB image, but I had that locally. Now we can open WebUI. Okay, I think it takes some time to load. We can check in the Portainer dashboard. Yeah, still starting. Give it some time. Maybe we can refresh. Yeah. So when you first time you pull this image, it will ask you to create the account. Even though this is running locally, it requires you to create an account. You can use any email address as long as you can remember that. Okay, oops. Okay, yeah. All right, so you can see the model here, so that means we are good to go. I think I have 2 models. Okay, let's try this. I think this, yeah. Okay, that works. Now we can interface or chat with Llama 3.2 model using Open-WebUI. Next step is to run our MCP server. So to do that, first let's create a virtual environment, and you can see it's generated. the files. Oh yeah, then we have to activate that, and we pull the fast MCP package. Okay, then we can use this command to run this code here. Okay, so we have a very simple MCP server here, and this is the tool we generated using this server. And this is quite important, this line, this is a doc string, and the LLM will read this string and understand what is the capabilities of this tool. In this case, it's very simple. You just give it two numbers and it will add these two numbers and return the value. And you can see that you can expand this same concept to different tools and functions, right? So let's run this command, and you can see that now this is running in this port 8003. Let's copy the URL and go back to our Open-WebUI and settings, external tools, and let's try to add new tool. Okay, so it's failed. Sometimes that happens. Let's change this to local host. Try again. Yeah, successful. Okay, now close this. Yeah, save, close. And now if you ask, okay, so you can see here there's tool available, one tool, and we have to enable that tool. So simple server tool. Okay, what is 100 plus 200? Okay, so we can send this query, and over here you will see that it's asking what is 100 plus 200. See, this we receive it in the backend, and yeah, you can see the answer here. So now what we did was we have this Ollama framework, and we install Llama 3.2 model, and we created a simple MCP server, and we use this tool using our Llama 3 model. Use this tool to create the answer and run this tool and get the answer and return to the user. Okay, I believe this is of useful for you, and until we meet again in another video, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.